Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your PS5 HDMI no signal HDCP error. So here's a guide for your disabling HDCP and restoring the display. Fix 1. Read the power indicator light first. So if solid white light means the control is fully on, if there is no display, you need to jump to hardware repairs. If there is some blinking white or blue light, that means frozen system. You need to power cycle it by unplugging it for 3 minutes. Pulsing red indicates overheating. Power down and clear vent blockages. Fix 2. Power cycle console. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the system off completely. Unplug from the outlet, wait for 30 seconds and restart. Fix 3. Check cable integrity. Ensure power and HDMI cords are firmly plugged in on both the ends. Mismatched physical connections prevent handshake signals. Fix 4. Boot into safe mode and change HDCP. Hold the power button down until you hear the second beep. So this counts for around 7 seconds. Connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. Select Change Media Output and modify the HDCP mode to clear conflicts. Fix 5. Try Change Resolution. Select Change Resolution within Safe Mode Video Settings. This forces the PS5 to drop down to basic output parameters your TV supports. Fix 6. Rebuild System Database. Select Rebuild Database to scan and clean operational files. Effectively resolves intermittent signal and boots the conflicts. Fix 7. Update your system software. Manually apply firmware updates via internet or USB drive. This clears corrupt system files that crash the output display. Fix 8. Restore default settings. It reverts all configuration values to clean factory default. Saves to perform but does not delete your game and media libraries. Fix 9. Contact PlayStation repairs. If safe mode fix fail to restore video output, request professional repair. A persistent solid white light with no signal points directly to hardware failures. Sony's official service center can safely repair internal HDMI port issues. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.